If you're looking for one of the most Italian experiences, you've come to the right place. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Panini Mantovane. These are typical bread rolls from the beautiful region of Mantova. And they are really famous for the crispy crust and for the fluffy and soft inside. Today I'm gonna show you how to bring this Italian flavor to your home. So let's get started. We begin with the dry ingredients. Combine the all-purpose and the semolina flour, the yeast and the salt. Semolina adds a beautiful texture and an extra fiber, making these rolls a little healthier and satisfying. Mix everything quick. Now we add lukewarm water, olive oil and honey. Water and honey activates the yeast and brings the dough to life, creating that soft and airy texture inside the bread. Let your mixer knead for about 10 minutes, until the dough comes together. For my mixer, I first use an attachment for mixing and later one for kneading. You want the dough to be soft but not sticky. After that, it's time to get hands-on. Transfer the dough to your kitchen surface and knead by hand for a few more minutes. You will want a smooth and elastic dough. Kneading develops the gluten which gives our panini that perfect chewy texture. Once it's nice and smooth, place your dough in a bowl, cover it and let it rest for about 8 hours. Yes, 8 hours. This long rest gives the rolls the signature airy texture and allows the flavor to really develop. After 8 hours, your dough will have risen beautifully. It has an incredible aroma and the typical structure we need for our dough. Fold the dough a few times and then divide it into equal pieces. Each piece will become one perfect little roll. To shape the Panini Mantovane, roll out the dough and fold it as shown in the video, to create that signature shape. This fold helps the bread rise in a unique way, giving it a lovely look. Place your rolls on a baking sheet, cover them with a towel and let it rest for about 60 minutes, while your oven heats up to 415 Fahrenheit. Once the oven is ready, pop them into 20 to 25 minutes until they are golden brown and crispy on the outside. Look at these beauties! They're crispy, golden and smell amazing. You can enjoy them as they are, or you can add some pesto, some thinly sliced prosciutto and a bit of gorgonzola. It's like a little taste of Italy in every bite. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and to leave a comment below. Grazie mille for watching and I'll see you next time. Buon appetito!